Welcome back, Hornets, and here we are with another episode of Around Campus with Jamila Mustafa. Today, I have an exciting event for you guys to come to. And what is it? It's the Foxtail Fest. Here we are with Brandon Potter. Welcome, Brandon.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm so excited. When your mother contacted me and she said, Jamila, it's this cool event coming up. My son's doing it. It's going to be a Wilmington. I said a festival, a music festival. So tell me a little bit about this.
Well, it's the first annual Foxtail Fest, and it's a hip-hop and EDM music festival. We got DJ Cosmic Kev hosting, Machine Gun Kelly, Travis Scott, just a whole lineup for a full-day festival, so it's going to be real fun.
So this is crazy. So you're doing this fresh out of college, and what goes into this, creating a masterpiece as big as a festival? You know, a lot of people might have concerts or like a little party, but to have an all-day festival, what goes into that?
Just a lot of logistics planning and stuff like that. You got to go down to every detail, from like who you want to play the show to what kind of cups you're going to use to like serve people water and stuff like that. So it's a lot goes into it, but it's really fun work, so I love doing it.
So you're going green. How does going green and helping the earth, how does that coincide with the Foxtail Fest?
Well, it's just like a personal thing me and my team share. Sustainability is like a big issue nowadays with global warming and recycling landfills and all that, so we definitely put a lot of effort into making this as green event as we can. We have every ticket sold, people can have the option to plant a tree.
Wow.
We have Boxed Water, which is our official water sponsor. They sell water in recyclable like paper cans rather than, you know, stuff like that.
So that's cool. A lot of people often talk about our new generation, or the present generation is dying down as far as creativity and entrepreneurship. But when you bring things like the Foxtail Fest to the table, it shows that we are very much alive. And so what inspires you to be a part of this? And tell me how important it is to have a good team.
It's very important. With an event like this, you have to have multiple people that can like operate at a certain level, so like it's all about the team that you have, depending on the success of the event. So
okay, so here we are at Delaware State University. So let us know how students here can get involved. What opportunities does the Foxtail Fest, as well as yourself and your team, can offer Delaware State students?
There's plenty of opportunities for Del State students, and we actually invite Del State students to become a part of this event. We have opportunities for volunteership where students can learn the day of operations of a music festival. If there's people interested in music industry, that's definitely great for them. We also have internships available. We got our first intern a couple weeks ago, and she's helping us with logistical planning and our social media, things like that. So plenty of opportunities for students.
So I have my personal question for you, Brandon. How did you book these artists? How did you book the venue? How do you book these things? Is it about who do you know, or because I know a lot of companies, they don't want to give someone, a chance.
Right. Well, the first year has definitely been, I wouldn't say tough, but it's been a lot of work to get, to pull it all together, because you do have to, kind of pay your dues the first year. But, lots of research, figuring everything out on our own, and we just made it happen, so.
All right, so in 1 minute, give me the rundown, where it's at, the location, the price, tickets, and how to get there.
All right, well, the rundown is Foxtail Fest, presented by What Scene, which is our company. You can get tickets at foxtailfest.com. Cosmic Kev hosting, Machine Gun Kelly headlining, so it's going to be a fun day, September 14th of this year.
You heard it. Brandon told you September 14th, Foxtail Fest is going to be amazing. Delaware State students, come out. Tell your mom, tell your dad, bring your friends. Delaware State is supporting our community. Thank you so much for having.
Thank you.